Wow, it's a little foggy there, isn't it? Sorry about that, guys. There you go, that's better. A little bit. It is now thunderstorming again. And I'm recording again. And my neighbor's kid is like freaking out. And it's really annoying. Like, seriously, like, is it really that, like, annoying? Like, every time we were playing Monopoly, and every time he heard an airplane, a truck, he would go under the table. And it got really annoying. And it was just so stupid. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But I'm recording right now because once again it's thunderstorming again. And yeah, I just like to watch the weather. I also got my braces off, but now I have to wear this stupid retainer, see? But my teeth are straight now. But yeah, I'm under an umbrella, see? It is a little foggy, my lenses. But that's okay. I keep trying to fix it, but it's just too moist out. And there's my pool. The water is freezing cold. Look at all the bugs in there. Ew. Look at that bug right there. Right there. That's some nasty shit right there. I probably see about 3 bugs that fell in my pool. I was gonna let them die, but I was like, no, that'd be too mean. So I let them live. There's a Sawmill River Parkway right about there. And then just my road. It's really nice out. There's a lot of flowers here. Oh, there it goes. That's my house. Ryan's probably freaking out. Oh my god. This guy couldn't take it anymore. I was trying to get pissed off. Oh, stupid kids. See? And this is where I buried my hamster, right here, where the rock is. Right there. And there's just tombstone right there. Rock, tombstone. My garden. And that's the stairs to the basement. It's really scary down there. See, look how scary that is. Yeah. And this is our street. My place. Ball. Hello. That's a cold pearl. Well, it sounds like it has dissipated. There's another garden. And there's a flag. There goes the car. He's probably like, what the fuck? Don't film me. Yeah. Probably gonna be recording again. I don't know. I know I look like shit because I was just dancing in the rain with the neighbors. And I look like shit too. But, oh well. Gotta deal with it. Yeah, pretty much it. So, bye.